Hello, my dear viewers. Today I am before you to uh, to make you acquainted the board examination question 2018 June, in which it is shown a figure like this. It's a meter bridge figure, and the question is asked. Um, Okay, the experimental setup for the comparison of two resistances is shown. The two resistances are X and R resistances. The question one is working principle of the above device. What is the working principle of the above device? Earlier that we have studied in the Wheatstone's bridge, the a combination of resistances, a bridge is found by the galvanometer connection between the I had said earlier, this is one river and one road and other road. Between there is a pond. Then this galvanometer connection is the bridge between these two roads. Like that, it is similarizing this. So when we get this diagram now, this is a cell having MFE, this is a key, this is a rheostat, the variable resistances, these are the copper strips, and because low resistance is offered by this copper strips, and a wire which has a definite resistance over the definite length, it is given. So it's a wire connected AB length, which is having 100 centimeter, having a constant resistance along the constant length, having a definite resistance along the definite length. So this thing, the X is similarized to this X, R is similarized to this R. The galvanometer connection, this thing is the galvanometer connection which is given to this section, in which the AC is the first resistance which is offered by this length L of this wire, LAC, the length of this wire, and CB is the resistance offered by this length of the wire, which is given. Okay, I have similarized this with the Wheatstone's bridge. This is the meter bridge. So when we answer the question, Wheatstone bridge principle is the basis of meter bridge. Wheatstone bridge principle is the basis of meter bridge. This is the essence of this question asked. Then there is a mathematical problem which is asked, which is to be solved. In the figure, in the question 2, it is given in the figure that X is the effective resistance of the series combination of two 3-ohm resistors. This X is formed by the series combination of two 3-ohm resistors. Two 3-ohm resistors are there, and which is connected in a series manner. So that is the effective resistance of this X. Then R is the effective resistance of the parallel combination of 3-ohm resistors. R is the resistance, the effective resistance of two 3-ohm resistors which are connected in parallel. So we can, the balancing point is obtained at C. Okay, C is the balancing point in this meter bridge. If the length, that means the balancing point is the point where this Wheatstone's principle is satisfied. So if the length is 100 centimeter, if the total length of this wire is 100 centimeter, AB is 100 centimeter, find the length, the AC of the wire. What is the length, the AC of the wire? So we can write in the given manner, that means AC, let the length of AC, this length be L. Okay, L. Then what is this CB? That means what is left? The whole minus the L. The whole 100 minus this L is the remaining length. This is written over here. So the question 2, we can solve first of all X. Then X is in series combination. Now there are two 3-ohm resistors. So two 3-ohm resistors are there. First one, this is the equation for the effective resistance in the series combination. So first resistance 3-ohm, second resistance 3-ohm. It is added together. That means in series combination, we just add these two resistance. 6-ohm is the effective resistance of the first. That is X is equal to 3-ohm. Next is effective resistance in the series, in the parallel combination. Now in the parallel combination, this is the formula. That means 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or we can add what all if another different resistors are given, R1, R2, R3. That means reciprocal, the sum of the reciprocals of overall resistance are given. That means 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by 3 ohm. That means which is given. Two 3 ohm resistances are given now in the parallel combination. That means effective resistance of the two 3-ohm resistors which are in parallel. That is the value of R. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, same. That means 2 by 3 now. Denominators are same, 2 by 3. 1 by R effective is equal to 2 by 3. Then R effective means take the reciprocal. put this denominator in the numerator. That means R of t is equal to 3 by 2. This is the thing, parallel combination. So 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5, no? 1.5 ohm. Okay. Then the question is asked, when the balancing condition, that is the balancing condition at C, then this is following the Wheatstone's principle. The Wheatstone's principle say that this X by R is equal to AC by CB. That means P by Q is equal to R by S. Even if you don't know anything also, then you can just, I have said in my earlier PCM group classes, just we can just write X by R is equal to AC by CB. Like that, P by Q. This X by R is equal to AC by CB. What are all upper resistances ratio by lower area resistances ratio. P by Q is equal to R by S. That is the essence. So same, look at here. X by R is equal to AC by CB, which is written over here. AC, we have the length L now. We have put the length L. And CB is the length 100 minus L now. Total length minus L length. Okay. So this X length, which is found X, which is found out by the series combination 6 ohm. This I have put over here. And the R, I have found R effective in the manner here. X by R, this we have got to be 1.5 ohm. I have put over here is equal to AC is equal to L, CB is equal to 100 minus L. Look over here. 1.5 2 times is 3. Then 1.5 4 times is equal to 6. That means 1.5 I have cut off. I have written over here 4. So taking all this thing, 1 here, 4 into 100 minus L is equal to 1 into L. This over here, opening the bracket, 400 minus 4L is equal to L, 400 is equal to L plus 4L. That means minus symbol, which is going to the right side, L plus 4L is equal to 400 is equal to 5L. Then L is equal to 400 minus by 5 is equal to 80 centimeter. That is the length of the wire. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. Without you viewers, it is never possible for a channel to flourish. So I will come back with more and more good board examination questions that will make the concept clear. Okay, bye. Be okay, bye. Be cool, happy. Practice well. Overall, it is given.